What is small engine repair? Small engine repair involves the service of equipment including motorcycles, lawnmowers, chainsaws, and more. Do you have strong mechanical skills and good hand-eye coordination? Do you like to work with your hands? Small engine repair may be a good fit for you. Employment as a small engine mechanic is projected to grow 4% from 2019 to 2029. This is as fast as the average for all occupations. More specifically, employment for small engine mechanics is expected to rise 5% in New Jersey, with the annual median wage being $39,060. What does a day in the life of a small engine mechanic look like? Small engine mechanics perform routine engine maintenance, replace or repair parts, and perform diagnostics to identify mechanical, electrical, and fuel system problems. Small engine mechanics also communicate with customers, keep detailed and accurate reports, and use hand and power tools. Most small engine mechanics enroll in a program that combines classroom instruction and hands-on training. Students will learn related technical skills as they learn to repair and maintain 2- and 4-cycle engines. Though not required, students may choose to pursue certification. So what's next? Learn about careers through hands-on experiences. Visit Hardin County Vocational School District to start exploring your possibilities.